Hello kitchen technicians, welcome back to my channel. We are going to make the minced meat and cheese sandwich. This is a continuation of our sandwich recipe video. That is the egg mayo sandwich video. If you haven't watched that video, please click on the link above to watch it. Thank you very much. Okay, so with this recipe, we will need 1 cup minced meat, lettuce, slices of cucumber, slices of tomatoes, 1 cup chopped cabbage, half cup shredded carrots, a 1/4 cup chopped green bell pepper, a 1/4 cup chopped onions, 1 clove of chopped garlic, and a bit of onions to fry. We also need mayonnaise, margarine, cheese, salt, red chili powdered pepper, black pepper, 3 teaspoons of lemon. Let's go ahead and make our sandwich spread. We'll begin by melting some margarine in a heated skillet. When the margarine is hot enough, we will go on to put in our chopped onions and garlic. When it turns light brown, we can then put our minced meat in and stir very well. Make efforts to break as much lumps as you can. Continue stirring for a while. Add salt and stir. Leave it on till all the moisture evaporates from it. The sound will change when this happens. And oh, this minced meat is homemade. To learn how to make homemade minced meat, do check out my video on how to mince meat in a blender. We now proceed to pour our chopped cabbage in and stir for a while. Next is carrots. All the veggies can go in at this point, so proceed with your chopped onion and chopped green bell pepper. Stir all these together very well for about a minute. Now let's go ahead and add a little salt, black pepper, and our red chili powder. Stir to mix well for about a minute. It is done, so we will now transfer enough for 1 sandwich into a mixing bowl. The whole minced meat and veggie mix is enough for about 4 to 5 people, but we are going to put together 1 sandwich for now. Now let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoonfuls of mayonnaise and follow up with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The other 2 teaspoons of lemon juice will go in the remaining mixture later. We will now stir to mix very well until our mayo and lemon juice is well incorporated. Our sandwich spread is ready. Now let's get to the construction. We are going to construct the sandwich. We are going to lay 1 slice of bread on a plate. Spread 1 lettuce on top nicely. Now we will neatly arrange 3 slices of tomatoes on top of the lettuce. Go ahead and put a generous amount of spread on top of the tomatoes. Spread it out well. Let's proceed to grate some cheese on the spread. Next, we will arrange 3 slices of cucumber on top of the cheese. Last but not least is to cover the top of the tomatoes with lettuce. Spread it well and finally seal the sandwich with our second bread. We will now go ahead and melt some margarine in a pan. Let's put the sandwich in on one side to toast. Cover it and leave it for 3 minutes on low heat. Covering is important to help the cheese melt. After that, we will now flip it so the other side will also get toasted. Cover it once again and leave it for a few minutes on low heat. The minced meat and cheese recipe is ready to be served. We can't wait to eat. Okay, slice it in triangular halves and enjoy. Okay, our sandwich recipes are ready. Here on my right is a minced meat and cheese recipe. It is looking beautiful, colorful as you can see, and it is delicious. You will love it. You can have it for breakfast with your tea, coffee. You can have it for lunch. You can have it for dinner with your chilled drink, and you will love it, I assure you. It is really tasty. And here on my left is the egg mayo recipe, also very tasty and also looking colorful, right? It will do for your breakfast, but you can have it anytime you want, any time of the day that you want to have it. It is cool, it is healthy too. The egg, the vegetables in them make them so healthy, so please do try them and you will love it. But don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Do like and share as well. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.